Are you constantly bloated and gain weight for no reason? Do you suffer from bad breath, skin problems, and gas? You may have a dirty colon, full of excess waste and harmful toxins. ColPureX is a premium herbal supplement formulated using the latest scientific research to cleanse the body naturally and promote healthy digestion and weight loss. ColPureX uses potent ingredients which circulate through the blood and detoxify and revitalize the body while also providing weight loss. ColPureX helps promote healthy intestinal bacteria while enhancing your body's immune system. Detoxify and purify with ColPureX. Join the others that chose to safely and effectively cleanse using ColPureX and order yours today at www.colpurex.com.